Get ready for the most groundbreaking tech announcement of the year as Apple unveils its highly anticipated augmented reality headset, the Vision Pro, at the WWDC 2023 conference. Step into the future of fashion and technology with the Vision Pro's remarkable ski goggle-like design. Combining style and functionality, this sleek headset is set to turn heads and enhance your augmented reality experience. The Vision Pro's tinted front panel not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also serves a vital purpose. Acting as a lens, it allows you to view the digital world seamlessly integrated with your surroundings. But that's not all. Hidden within the elegant facade is a discreet cooling fan. By intelligently drawing air through the headset, the Vision Pro keeps its internal electronics at the perfect temperature, ensuring optimal performance throughout your immersive journey. Comfort and personalization are paramount, and Apple has left no stone unturned in achieving the perfect fit for every user. The adjustable bands at the back of the Vision Pro allow you to customize the tightness to your preference, ensuring a snug and secure feel. Collaborating with renowned optics manufacturer Zeiss, Apple has incorporated magnetic lenses into the headset. This innovative solution caters to prescription wearers, enabling them to effortlessly enjoy the augmented reality experience without compromising their vision. Equipped with not one, but two high-resolution displays, boasting a staggering total of 23 million pixels, this headset sets a new standard for immersive visuals. The Vision Pro's dual display, one for each eye, work harmoniously to provide a vivid and lifelike viewing experience. Whether you're exploring virtual worlds, engaging in augmented reality applications, or simply enjoying multimedia content, every detail comes to life with stunning clarity and precision. From vibrant colors to sharp contrasts, the Vision Pro ensures that your digital encounters are nothing short of breathtaking. To take your immersion to the next level, Apple has integrated advanced sensors into the Vision Pro. Infrared cameras work in conjunction with LiDAR technology, enabling the headset to track not only your eye movements, but also your surroundings in real time. This dynamic tracking system ensures that virtual objects seamlessly integrate into your physical environment, creating a sense of presence like never before. Driving this powerful fusion of visuals and sensors is the revolutionary R1 chip. This custom-designed chip, originating from Apple's Innovation Hub, processes information at lightning speed, eliminating lag and latency. Every action you take, every movement you make, is translated into a seamless and responsive user experience. The R1 chip's impressive capabilities ensure that your augmented reality adventures unfold effortlessly, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the virtual world without interruption. With the Vision Pro's groundbreaking feature called Eyesight, Apple invites you to experience a mind-bending phenomenon that blurs the lines between the digital and physical realms. Excited to learn more about the Vision Pro? Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on future technology and innovations. Eyesight is an innovative technology that projects a live feed of your eyes onto an external display. As you wear the Vision Pro, others can see your eyes through this mesmerizing illusion of transparency. It's a truly surreal experience, as if your headset dissolves, revealing the essence of your presence within the virtual world. While Eyesight showcases the technical prowess of the Vision Pro, it also holds immense practical potential. Imagine collaborating with colleagues remotely, where your facial expressions and eye contact add a new layer of authenticity to your interactions. Engaging in virtual meetings, attending classes, or connecting with loved ones takes on a whole new level of connection and immersion. Eyesight breathes life into your virtual persona, making it feel more natural and relatable. Welcome to the future of operating systems, Vision OS. Developed by Apple, Vision OS marks a monumental leap forward in the realms of spatial computing, delivering an unparalleled platform designed explicitly for augmented reality experiences. Say goodbye to the confines of traditional displays and prepare to enter a new dimension of interactivity and immersion. At its core, Vision OS shares foundational elements with Apple's macOS and iOS, ensuring seamless integration and compatibility with existing Apple ecosystems. However, Vision OS introduces a groundbreaking real-time subsystem, specifically tailored for processing interactive visuals on the Vision Pro headset. This dedicated subsystem enables apps to break free from the constraints of a two-dimensional display and unleash the full potential in a three-dimensional interface. With Vision OS, apps can appear side by side at different scales, allowing for simultaneous interactions and seamless transitions between virtual elements. The user interface dynamically responds to changes in natural lighting, casting shadows that convey scale and depth, enhancing the perception of objects in the virtual environment. It's a truly immersive and intuitive interface that blurs the line between the real and virtual worlds. The visionary capabilities of Vision OS extend beyond the interface itself. Apple has collaborated with major developers, including Adobe and Microsoft, to bring a diverse range of applications to the Vision Pro. From Adobe's Lightroom for visual artists and photographers, to Microsoft Office for productivity enthusiasts, these powerful apps harness the potential of spatial computing to revolutionize how we create, collaborate, and interact. The Vision Pro isn't just a powerful hardware marvel. It's also a gateway to a vast ecosystem of cutting-edge apps and experiences that push the boundaries of augmented reality. Get ready to unlock a world of limitless possibilities as we dive into the exciting lineup of apps available on the Vision Pro. Starting with creative enthusiasts, Adobe Lightroom takes center stage, offering a transformative experience for visual artists and photographers. With the Vision Pro's immersive display and intuitive controls, editing photos becomes an unparalleled journey, where you can bring your artistic vision to life with every brushstroke and adjustment. For productivity enthusiasts, Microsoft Office steps into an augmented reality realm, redefining how we collaborate and create. Whether you're crafting documents in Word, crunching numbers in Excel, or delivering compelling presentations in PowerPoint, the Vision Pro's three-dimensional interface breathes new life into your workflow, making every task more immersive and engaging. But the app ecosystem doesn't end there. The Vision Pro invites you to explore a multitude of specialized apps tailored for various domains. Medical professionals can delve into anatomy visualization software, enabling detailed examination and study of the human body in augmented reality. Imagine being able to interact with three-dimensional renderings of organs and systems, gaining insights that were once limited to textbooks and illustrations. Engineering enthusiasts are not left behind either. Engineering apps on the Vision Pro allow you to visualize complex physics phenomena, such as airflow and structural dynamics, overlaying virtual simulations onto real-world objects. These apps transform learning and problem-solving into interactive experiences, bridging the gap between theoretical concepts and practical applications. But it's not all work and study. Communication and social connection are also elevated on the Vision Pro. FaceTime, a beloved communication platform, takes on a new dimension with 3D avatars. Through advanced scanning technology, FaceTime creates a lifelike representation of your face, allowing you to engage in virtual conversations with a unique and immersive presence. Whether you're catching up with friends, collaborating with colleagues, or attending virtual events, FaceTime on the Vision Pro adds a touch of realism and interactivity to your digital interactions. As we eagerly anticipate the arrival of the Vision Pro, it's important to acknowledge that great things often come to those who wait. Apple's highly anticipated augmented reality headset is set to make its debut early next year, and the excitement surrounding its release is palpable. So, what makes the Vision Pro worth the wait? First and foremost, let's address the price. At $3,499, the Vision Pro undoubtedly falls into the premium category. However, it's essential to recognize that this price tag reflects the cutting-edge technology and unparalleled capabilities packed into this remarkable device. Apple has spared no expense in creating an augmented reality experience that goes above and beyond our expectations, and the Vision Pro is a testament to their commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation. The Vision Pro represents a significant leap forward in the world of augmented reality. Its ski goggle-like design, advanced sensors, and high-resolution displays combine to deliver an immersive and captivating experience. Whether you're exploring virtual worlds, collaborating with others in a shared augmented space, or simply enjoying the seamless integration of digital information into your everyday life, the Vision Pro is set to revolutionize how we interact with technology. Moreover, Apple's dedication to user experience and attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the Vision Pro. From the adjustable bands and magnetic lenses that ensure a comfortable fit for every user, to the integration of IR and LiDAR cameras that track your eyes and surroundings in real time, the Vision Pro is designed to provide a seamless and intuitive experience. The wait for the Vision Pro is also an opportunity for Apple enthusiasts to experience the red carpet treatment. Customers who book an appointment in Apple Store will not only have the chance to see the Vision Pro up close, but also receive a personalized fit tailored to their preferences. This level of personalized attention highlights Apple's commitment to ensuring that each user has an exceptional and tailored experience with their device. In summary, the Vision Pro is a game-changing AR headset that combines impeccable design, powerful hardware, and a revolutionary operating system, Vision OS. With its advanced sensors, immersive visuals, and a growing ecosystem of apps, Apple has set a new standard for augmented reality experiences. Embrace the future and join us as we uncover the endless possibilities of the Vision Pro. If you want to learn more about this upcoming headset, make sure you check out our next video. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey into the world of Apple's Vision Pro. Stay curious, stay connected, and stay tuned for more cutting-edge technology insights from NXT Gen. See you next time.